Hi there, this is May's Design Corner, and I am coming to you today to show you one of my designs. I had an old chandelier that had gotten all rusted and was outdoor, one of my outdoor displays. And what I did was painted this pink here, and I added some florals in it here, and for on each one of the lamp posts, I glued a plate from the Dollar Tree. These plates here, I glued it on there. Can you see where the bulb would go right in there? You can kind of see it. And then I decorated it with my faux cupcakes and my faux ice cream cups on each one. And I'm going to take you around and let you see. Instead of throwing this away, I went on and made me a uh, cupcake, the ice cream holder. And here you see I have a giant cupcake on the top here. There you go. That's my giant cupcake. And this is a DIY as well. So don't throw those things away. Keep them because you can really make some beautiful items with the things that you think are no longer needed. So I'm going to remove this and put it down here. And it fell. And I'm going to pick this up so you could see what I'm talking about. Let me see. Can I pick it? This is it. There you go. This is it. So then I'm going to set it right back down here. There you go. I set it right back down. And I'm going to take my faux big old cupcake and put it right back up here on the top so you can see it. And behind here, I have a sign that says, God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. Yes. And I have on the other side over here, as for me and my house, we shall serve the Lord. Joshua 24:15. Oh, yes. You got to keep God in everything you do. I hope this gives you some inspiration as to how to do things that you think are no longer needed, and you can turn them into beautiful works of art. Yes, works of art. An old chandelier turned into a cake cookie stand, or maybe you just want to make some flowers and put on top of each saucer that I glued on top of the light bulb portion. And I have down here a sign that says blessed on either side. I put a sign that says blessed on both sides. Thank you so very much for looking at my creation. And I hope that you go ahead and get something that you thought was not worth anything and make something out of it. Don't throw it away. Keep it and make something out of it. This is May's Design Corner saying God bless you. Don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. And always, always remember that this is God's world. Nothing nobody can do about it because He owns it. This is His world. Thank you so very much for being the God that you are. May's Design Corner saying, I love you and adieu.